Hello and welcome to myCADsite.com, and we're here for tutorial 1-7, and this is assignment number 5, showing some new commands like the fillet, chamfer, and array commands, and also the rotate. So we're going to start by drawing a rectangle, which is 1 unit across and 3 units up, starting at 0.75, 0.75, and then we want to rotate it clockwise 90 degrees. Starting at the base point of the bottom right hand corner. So we select it, select the base point, and then enter -90 degrees for an accurate rotation. Next, for the assignment, we're to copy it up 2 units in the y-axis, and we're going to round all the corners with a radius of 0.375 units, and we do this with the fillet command. So from here we just start the command and enter R for radius, enter in the desired radius, and work our way around. Or we can also do it in one shot, since this is a rectangle. So I've undone those, start the command, and this time I've put in a radius of 0.375 again, but now I just choose the P for polyline option, and it fillets all the corners in the polyline for me, in this case 4. So now I'm going to copy the first rectangle up to the top of the page, and this is going to be at 4.5 units straight up, using relative coordinates to move it. And now I'm going to chamfer it, meaning I'm going to have sharp corners instead of the rounded corners that the fillet gives us. So I set in my distances at 0.375, and just like the fillet command, I pick 2 adjoining lines to get the angled corners. And I could have also done the same with the polyline option like I did for that. So now out of one shape I've got 3 new objects just by copying and modifying the first one. So now we're going to start with the array command, and we'll be working off just a small 0.5 by 0.5 rectangle. So the first one is going to be a rectangular array. So we select that. It's going to have 2 rows and 3 columns, and I'll need to select the object I'm arraying, and my row offset is going to be 0.75 by 0.75 as shown in the assignment. So I can preview it, move it down, go yep, that's exactly what I want, and accept it. Now the last thing I need to do is to draw a circle using my defined starting point of 7.5, 5.5, and a diameter D, enter, 1.5, enter, and a line from the center going out to the right 1 unit. Now the next thing I need to do is array it so I can have 6 lines radiating around the circle. So it's a polar array. There's my center point. I select the object that I'm actually arraying, and I want 6, and I want to fill the full circle, and I want to rotate the items as they're copied. So I'll preview this. It looks just like the pie I wanted, and accept it. One other thing I use the fillet command for a lot is to join 2 lines that may not meet up, and I want a nice clean square corner. So I do the fillet, put in a radius of 0, and then select the 2 lines, and now when I zoom in I'll see that yes, I do have a nice sharp corner, and they are joined up and touching. So let me just erase those to finish the assignment. So thanks for watching. This was myCADsite.com. Thank you.